Welcome to Infogate ERP. In this video, we'll walk you through the new invoice screen and show you how to create an invoice. At the top, you'll see the invoice number, automatically generated by the system, along with the invoice date and the high GD date. Use the search button for profile invoice number, quotation number, delivery note number, or customer code to autofill customer details, or enter them manually. Check the description box for details. Finally, select the invoice type. Choose cash if the customer is paying immediately. Select credit if the payment will be made later. Or choose bank if the transaction is to a bank account. This option ensures the invoice is recorded under the correct payment method. You can also apply credit against previous receipts. This is done through the advanced receipt option, where any unused balance or credit from earlier receipts can be assigned to the current invoice. This ensures accurate adjustment of customer accounts and smooth handling of advance payments. Next, you can also add items manually row by row using the Add Row button. Here, you can also view and select item details. Use the category drop-down to filter items by type, such as air conditioner breaker, door, general, or instrument. You can also use the search by option to look up items by code, item name, Arabic name brand, or location. Enter your keyword in the search box, and the matching items will be displayed in the list below. From the list, you can check important detail such as sales rate, purchase rate, available stock, VAT percentage, average cost, and brand. Once you have identified the required item, click Select Item to add it to your invoice. On the right-hand side, you see the invoice summary, including gross amount discount, VAT amount, and the final net amount. When you select cash as the invoice type, this section will be enabled. You can search for the account number, and the account name will be displayed automatically. If required, you can also search and change to another account. If the customer is making a partial cash payment, enter how much amount is received to the bank in the bank amount field. The remaining amount will be considered as cash in hand. There are also options for retention details, such as advance receipt number, received amount, and inclusive discount. From the left panel, you can choose whether to apply a line discount or a net discount. You can choose between a tax invoice or simplified invoice, and decide whether to print with or without a letterhead. Finally, once the invoice is ready, you can save it, print it, export it to Excel, or any PDF in A3 size. There is also an option to preview before printing. On the invoice detail screen, you can easily search and manage all invoices. Use the drop-down menu to choose your preferred search option. You can search by invoice number, customer code, customer name, purchase order number, bill type, VAT number, branch, vehicle number, item code, item name, mobile number, quotation number, or sales order number. After selecting the filter, enter your search keyword in the search box. On the right side, you can take quick actions such as edit, print, or email the invoice using the respective icons. This screen gives you a clear view of all invoice records and helps you quickly find and manage any transaction.